So here we have our new Thumper Fab Elite bumper, and this is a very special bumper. For the first time, we have built a bumper that you can either put a 12,000 pound truck winch on there, or you can buy a conversion kit to just run a regular ATV winch like the ones you would have on a regular Ranger.
So you could run the stock winch that may have come with your North Star, or if you really start to getting loading this up, 35s, 6 people, a bed full of gear, a roof rack full of gear, might want to step it up to something a little more substantial, maybe a truck winch.
Right. You can also have your options for what lights you want to run in there. We have 6-inch slim road lights. We have D-rings available.
So that's the factory light that came in the bumper. It fits the Thumper Fab bumper?
Yes, we did a version of, if you have the bumper from the factory with the lights in it, you can use your factory lights. Or if you have a different version that doesn't come with the lights, we have an option to put our Thumper Fab lights in there.
These are awesome. Factory lights, or run the dual row stealth LED optics. Yep.
So the bull bar is optional as well. If you don't like the look with the bull bar, we can sell it to you with or without it.
Pretty cool to have the option, really customize it to your rig. So if you kind of want more of a low profile look, no bull bar. Want a little bit more protection, especially for that hood? Looks good with that bull bar.